The Food Service Exchange presents.
So I'm Jason Parsons. I'm the executive chef here at Peller Estates Winery Restaurant. Cooking is just so inspirational, it's so moving, and it's just an amazing thing. So look at where I am, right? I mean, this is inspiring. Crown Verity, girls and I go back a long way. It's just an amazing barbecue, amazing grill. You know, it's that industry quality of stainless steel. It's durable, it's reliable, and I just love cooking on it because I find that when you go to the grill and you turn it on, you know what to expect, and it always just gives you the perfect cooking temperatures that you need. Crown Verity is one of those ones, it's a professional line. I mean, you can have one of these and it's a life investment. It's something that, you know, you can really just clean the grills down, look after it, and 2 years down the road, it's gonna be the same as the day you bought it. Chefs, they love to entertain. They're not bringing 3 or 4 people over, they're bringing 10, 12, 15 people. This thing can handle that. And it's also got the right power to be able to get the heat to every single part of that grill, not just the little hot spots in the middle. So this is truly a professional's dream for the backyard.